Those fast approaching deadlines to get your gifts delivered in time for the holidays. The U.S. Postal Service says first-class mail and packages should be shipped tomorrow. People have until next week for express shipping and for UPS and FedEx, but folks, you wait that long, it's going to cost you more money. Nationally, the post office said it can handle up to 60 million packages a day.
This is really our Super Bowl every year.
We have prepared since January of this year for this peak season, and we were holiday ready before we even got to Thanksgiving.
All major carriers said the closer it gets to December 25th, the more expensive delivery options will be. And temperatures have not done Mad River Mountain any favors. It is supposed to be opening tomorrow, but because we haven't had much cold, they haven't been able to make snow. But tonight, it is getting colder, and Mad River hopes to start making that snow next week.
And now, your Storm Center 7 forecast with meteorologist Robert Gauthreaux III.
And cold enough right now to get some snowflakes in parts of our view.
We're making our own snow. Not enough to ski.
Barely, huh?
But yeah, there's just a few little flakes here or there falling. We can see them on the various weather cameras. And one right now is out there in Greenville, and you can see the camera to the light to the left. There's a little dot. Oh, there's a little dot. It almost looks like, you know when you see stars? That's kind of what it looks like. They're so far and few in between, and they kind of move. They're not even falling down. They're kind of moving up like bugs, or maybe they are bugs, but most likely there are a few flakes falling just like this, not very heavy. We were expecting the chance for at least some passing flurries this evening, tonight, and even a bit into Saturday, and it's certainly cold enough to snow right now in Dayton. 32 degrees, winds are out of the west, about 15 miles per hour. It's very, very dry. It's not too windy, but overall, it's still pretty chilly. Now, temperatures across the rest of the Miami Valley, you can see over there in Winchester, it's 29, and it's actually 30 in Greenville. Sydney's at 30, so it looks like, yeah, just one place in the 20s, but trust me, a couple places are going to drop into the 20s tonight. You can see, at least here in Dayton, temperatures dropping to about 26 degrees by 8 a.m. We're definitely going to get pretty chilly. Not as dramatic as it could be, though. We have some cloud cover out there that will at least try and keep some of the warmth that does exist here on the ground, but it's still going to be pretty chilly. Now, you can see cloud cover across much of the Midwest. In fact, you can see this big swirling motion across, well, Wisconsin. You notice how it swirls like that? It's almost like you could just stare at it for a little while, but that's the area of low pressure. Now, clouds and rain go around areas of low pressure counterclockwise, and it starts to spin up showers and snow showers, and that's why we've been seeing a lot of snow up in the northern plains, like the Dakotas and Minnesota, and right now we're seeing that across Wisconsin too, moving into Michigan. Some good snow out there, but you look down a little bit farther south, there's a few flurries moving in. Looks like more so across Indiana than here, and we'll probably see this fade a little bit, but there are some flurries headed our way. We're seeing it now. We'll likely see it continuing a bit overnight as they move in from the Hoosier State. You can see that illustrated here in the Futurecast. Look, 4 a.m., it's not like the whole map is blue, but you do see some bits of blue here, more so toward the north outside the area, but we do have some passing flurries into the morning hours, and even a bit into Saturday. Now, not all day. Here's a look at 6 o'clock in the evening. It looks pretty quiet. But a little bit later in the evening, you'll see some more blue pass through. So today, well, the rest of today, and then into tomorrow, you'll see some passing flurries. But that's about it. That's all the snow we're going to see for at least the next week or so. In fact, we'll actually see some clearing skies once we get into Sunday. Highs likely not getting above freezing. In fact, we're going to be pretty chilly for the rest of the week. But as we get closer to Thursday and Friday, yes, we are expecting snow showers. And notice those temperatures, a low of 8 on Friday, a high of 15 on Friday. If we do see snow, which it looks like we will, that's likely going to stay with us through Christmas weekend.
All right, Robert, thank you. Tomorrow is Wright Brothers Day, December 17th, 1903.